Since there is no response from the state government to our peaceful protest, that is the non-cooperation movement, which we have launched on 21st December 2021. Today, during the emergency General Executive Committee of the Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body, unanimously we have taken a decision to withdraw our peaceful protest, that is the non-cooperation movement, against the activities and program of the state government from today onwards. And we have also taken a decision that if the state government fail to release our salary on or before 28 February, we will launch a strong agitation, that is a mass march to Secretariat in Shillong on the 2nd of March 2022. In this march, all the SSA teachers from across the state will take part as a mark of protest against the adamant of the state government to release our pending salary with effect from October 2021 to February 2022.